Introducing the Amana brand S Series, a slim side-discharge style system that provides a premium mid-efficiency solution at an affordable price. So say goodbye to a noisy outdoor unit with sound levels as low as 56 decibels. Compared to more common box-type units that produce up to 75 decibels. The difference is obvious. The Amana brand S Series uses inverter swing compressor technology, so homeowners will enjoy peace and quiet inside and out. With sound levels as low as 56 decibels, you won't even notice it's running. The Amana S Series. Sound you barely hear.